A stroke is a serious life threatening medical emergency that happens when there is interruption or reduced blood supply to part of the brain, which lead to decreased O2, nutrients and glucose supply to brain tissue. Stroke is the fifth leading cause of death in men, and 87% of strokes are ischemic stroke. A brain is an organ that serves as the center of the nervous system. It collects raw information from the sense organs and maintains coordination and control over body function. The CNS, like any system of the body, requires constant oxygenation and nourishment. The brain has particularly high O2 demand. At rest, it represents one fifth of the total O2 consumption. It is also very sensitive to O2 deprivation, with ischemic cell death resulting within minutes. Brain is supplied by two arteries, internal carotid artery and vertebral artery. Vertebral artery converge to form basilar artery. And the most common artery which is involved in stroke is middle cerebral artery. There are two main causes of stroke. Blocked artery leading to ischemic stroke or leaking or bursting of blood vessel leading to hemorrhagic stroke. Some people have temporary disruption of blood flow to brain known as transient ischemic attack. The most common type of stroke is ischemic stroke. It happens when the brain blood vessels become narrowed or blocked. Hemorrhagic stroke occurs when a blood vessel in your brain leaks or ruptures. Brain hemorrhages can result from many conditions. Transient ischemic attack, which is TI, also known as TIA, sometimes known as mini stroke, is a temporary period of symptoms similar to those you had seen in a stroke. A thrombus is a blood clot that forms in a vein. An embolus is anything that moves through the blood vessel until it reaches a vessel that is too small to let it pass. Atherosclerosis happens when the endothelium becomes damaged due to factors such as smoking, high blood pressure or high level of glucose, fat and cholesterol in the blood. This damage allows a collection of substance known as plaque to build up in the artery walls. Over time, plaque hardens and narrows your arteries. This limits the flow of oxygen rich blood to your organs and other part of the body. Atherosclerosis can lead to serious problems including heart attack, stroke and even death. Aneurysm can cause hemorrhagic or bleeding stroke. Blood fills the space between the brain and skull, which can be deadly if not treated quickly. Aneurysm, which is a ballooning and weakened area in an artery, a ruptured aneurysm can result in internal bleeding and cause hemorrhagic stroke. Causes of stroke is first one atherosclerosis, then because of high BP, aneurysm, weakened artery, there will be rupture of the artery. Then because of embolus, which is a small moving clot, and thrombus, which is a clot that forms in the damaged vein, there will be occlusion in the circulatory system. Many factors can increase your risk of stroke. First is lifestyle risk factor, being overweight or obese, physical inactivity, use of illegal drugs, alcohol, and smoking. In medical risk factors, because of high blood pressure, then high cholesterol, diabetes, obstructive sleep apnea, cardiovascular diseases, then because of COVID-19 infection, age, race, sex, hormones. These are all the risk factors which increase the risk of stroke in an individual. High blood cholesterol increases the risk of atherosclerosis. Because of that, there will be formation of plaque in the endothelium. The risk of stroke can be genetically inherited by an individual. Because of high glucose level, the endothelium becomes damaged, and because of that, atherosclerosis may occur and cause stroke. Obstructive sleep apnea. This type of apnea occurs when the throat muscles intermittently relax and block your airway during sleep. Age above 55, then males and race like African American, they are at high risk of having stroke. Also, because of hormones and taking birth control pills increase the risk of stroke in an individual. Because of occluded artery and bleeding in the brain tissue, there are many symptoms which are visible in an individual. First one is apraxia. Apraxia means difficulty with skilled movements, then headache, confusion, disorientation, memory impairment, aphasia. Aphasia means it is a language disorder that affects a person's ability to communicate. Then respiratory problems, decrease in cough and swallow reflex, then incontinence, seizure, hemiparesis. Hemiparesis means muscle weakness on one side of the body. Then hemiplegia, which means paralysis of one side of the body. Then hypothermia, visual changes. In visual changes, there's a symptom called homonymous heminopsia. It is a condition in which a person sees only one side of the visual world of each eye. One more symptom is Horner syndrome, which has three classical signs. First one is meiosis, which means a persistently small pupil, and isochoria, which means a notably difference in pupil size between the two eyes, and ptosis, which means drooping of the upper eyelid. Horner syndrome is also known as oculosympathetic palsy. It is caused because of disrupted nerve pathway on one side of the brain to face and eyes. FAST is an acronym used as a mnemonic to help detect and enhance responsiveness to the need of the person having a stroke. The acronym stands for facial drooping, arm weakness, speech difficulty, and time to call emergency services. This acronym was created by National Stroke Association. The new acronym is BFAST, B for balance and E for eyes. Be fast to save your brain in stroke. Every second counts. Prompt action can prevent further damage. Next time when you see a patient with stroke, use this acronym Be Fast. Thank you and have a nice day.